Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss with Angie's Art Asylum. I have flooded my canvas. It's a 10 by 10, just a little practice canvas here, and flooded it with Artist Loft white. I'm going to put all the colors in the description box. I'm just playing around and having a good time. So I have a double chambered split cup. There's just two chambers, and I have put paint on one side, put paint on the other side, and I have sandwiched them in between black and white. So one side of it is white on the bottom, black on the top, with the colors in the middle, and one side of it is black on the bottom, white on the top, with colors in the middle. So we're just going to see how it works. So let's get busy. Here's my cup. And the paint has been mixed with Floetrol, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Pretty thick paint. Okay, center looks really good. Just gonna get the air bubbles out. That is really pretty there. Trying to find the paint. Sorry if you can't see it, guys. And I knew the outer blue part was going to go off, so that's why I kind of poured it all together there. Oh, that's pretty. Just going to bring it back to me a little bit. Oh, how pretty is that? Get this. I think I can. Let me see if I can do a little bit more with it. Give me a second. Okay, that's amazing. Look at that. How pretty. I'm gonna try to touch up the edges. And I will be right back to show you guys. See, I had air bubbles in it and I popped them, but it looks like I didn't get them all. I really don't like my new torch, so we'll see. I'll be right back. Guys, look at it. It's so pretty. I just love it. It almost looks like some sort of animal. I don't know. Like the purple looks like maybe feathers on top of the head, or that kind of looks like a face of some sort. Let me know in the comments what animal you're thinking of when you see it this way, but it's pretty. It's shiny. It is so pretty. It just shines. So yeah, so we sandwiched the paints, the metallic paints, in between black and white, and put them in a split chamber cup, and put them down on the canvas, and tilted it out a little bit, and this is what we got. I think this is one of my favorite paintings that I have ever created. Very beautiful. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments. As always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you for being here. You guys have a great day. Thanks.